What's up guys, welcome to another episode of Andy Rocks, and today I'm gonna show you how you can make your Windows 10 full version without installing any software or without getting detected from the server. Let me go ahead and show you how you can do it in just 1 minute. And after that, what you have to do is just turn off all the automatic updates just to make sure that the server they don't detect you. So no more wasting time guys, let's get started. Bam!
Alright guys, so what you have to do is just go to the description below guys. In the description box I have given a link. You can just hit the link and you will get a text file like this, and all you have to do is just copy the whole text, or you can actually download the file, but I would suggest to copy the whole text. Then you have to create a new document and you just have to paste the whole text in the document. So let me just go ahead and show you. So you just click create a document, open it, and then paste the text file, paste the text that you have copied. And now you have to save this file and give it a name, and you have to end it up with .bat. So here I am doing it guys. So just end up with BAT and click on save. That's it. Bam, you have it now. Now all you have to do is just run the file as administrator. So just right click on it and hit on run as admin. Then there you go, click on yes. That's it. Boom shakalaka, you have it now. So it will do automatically and you'll see the product is activated, and all you have to do is just press Y and hit enter, and it will restart your computer, and there you go, you have it now guys.
Alright guys, so that's it for today. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, just smash the like button guys, as you always do. And if you're new to my channel, boom, make my another heart by hitting the subscribe button. Hit the bell icon as well beside the subscribe button, because I always bring this type of videos every week. If you have any problems, video suggestions, let me know in the comment section guys. I will definitely make videos on that topic. So see you guys soon in my next video. Keep rocking. We're invincible.